Well, it looks like Huawei has made its mission to never let Samsung win in the foldable smartphone market. They just keep dropping surprises again and again. And in China, they are doing the same thing to Apple. Anyway, Huawei has once again dethroned Samsung in the Chinese foldable smartphone market. According to the Counterpoint Research, the Huawei Mate X5 became the #1 best-selling foldable phone in China right now. And not just that. The Huawei Pocket 2 secured the second spot as well. But here's where things get really crazy. Huawei isn't just beating Samsung and Apple in China, they are now gearing up to take on the global market too. And how they are doing it? By launching the Huawei Mate X5, the world's first triple folding smartphone globally. Yes, the thinnest, most cutting-edge triple folding phone is now available outside China, setting new standards for the foldable smartphones. And despite the absence of the Google mobile services, many analysts believe that the Huawei Mate X5 is going to sell really well globally. I know the lack of Google services and a high price tag could make it difficult for the Huawei Mate X5 to survive in the global market, even though the trifold is full of significant features. But the absence of the Google mobile services could become a barrier to device sales in Europe and North America. Because Google mobile services free phones means applications like Netflix and the Gemini AI assistant won't be a part of it. However, IDC analysts have a different perspective on this situation. The market research firm believes that despite the absence of the Google mobile services, Huawei Mate X5 trifold could sell well in the global market. The company has other plans in this case. Well, the experts believe that the Huawei Mate X5 will likely target high-spending early adapters instead of the mainstream consumers. The former category consists of users who are excited about cutting-edge technologies and buy them right after launch. That says, even if the company sells 5 lakh units of the Huawei Mate X5 worldwide, it will earn like $1.5 billion of revenue from that tri-folding product, occupying more market space. Plus, it will raise the standards for the foldable market makers like Samsung. So I would say Samsung and Apple better be ready because Huawei isn't slowing down. So what do you think about it? Let me know your thoughts on it in the comments section below. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.